Hello, what is your name?
Joan Berstamin, ma'am.
How old are you?
28 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian, ma'am.
Are you married?
Single.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
6 months, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. Middle East, ma'am.
How many years?
2 years and 6 months.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
6 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Aquarium Bay, ma'am.
Quarry Bay. Okay. How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000.
How many family member there?
3, ma'am.
How many children?
1, ma'am.
How old?
13 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
And then I prepare medicine and milk. And then I feed him.
Mm-hmm.
And then I will prepare the bed. And then I will carry him to go to toilet to shower him. After that, when finished, I will clean the rooms and then the others. And then I'm cooking also. And then,
Okay. Do you go market?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about dinner? What time you cook?
6 o'clock, ma'am.
What time they eat?
7.
7 o'clock. Okay. So what time you go to bed?
8:30, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.